In the back to wall position, perform anterior pelvic tilts by gently arching your lower back away from the wall while inhaling. And initiate posterior pelvic tilts by flattening your lower back against the wall during exhalation, maintaining controlled movements for improved pelvic mobility. And core activation. Kneel on the floor facing the wall, straightening both arms against it. Begin by reaching and bending toward the left. Slowly move your arms upward and sideways, touching the wall while maintaining stable hips. Hold the stretch for 3 sets, 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the elongation along the left side of your torso, ensuring slow and controlled movements. To perform a standing wall ball anti-rotation isometric exercise, stand facing a wall, hold a medicine ball at chest height. Press it into the wall while resisting any rotational movement. Engage your core muscles and maintain a stable position for an isometric challenge. Targeting the anti-rotation, begin by lying on your side. Placing a foam roller on your right torso, keep your knees bent at 45 degrees. Bend your body towards the bed by raising your elbow upward and downward. Hold the stretch position for a few seconds. Before returning to the starting position, perform this for 3 sets of 15 reps. Execute a modified elbow and knee side plank by positioning yourself on your side, resting on your bottom knee and elbow. Lifting your hips to create a straight line from head to knee. Engaging your core and holding the position for lateral stability. To perform supine 90 to 90 holds with abdominal engagement, lie on your back with hips and knees bent at 90 degrees. Lift your shoulders off the ground. Engage your abdominal muscles and hold the position, ensuring your lower back remains in contact with the floor for a targeted core workout. Lie on your back with arms extended toward the ceiling and legs lifted. Lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while maintaining a neutral spine. Then return to the starting position, alternate sides for 3 sets of 12 reps. To perform a standard side plank on forearms and toes, lie on your side. Place your forearm on the ground with elbow directly beneath your shoulder. Lift your hips and extend your legs, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Engaging your core and holding the position for an effective lateral core workout.